Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. So you see this thing, right? Today's video is going to be the Lego EV3 Rattlesnake. Check this dude out, man. Look at that. That thing just looks hideous, doesn't it? Like it can do some damage to you. Look at those fangs. So today we're going to take a look at the Rattlesnake. I'm going to show you what the program does. It is going to be a build that's not necessarily for free. I'll explain that in a second. But if you want to see the Rattlesnake, you're going to have to stay with me.
Hino Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I want to thank Joey and Fish. Is his name really not Fish? It's a nickname that we give him, for building the Rattlesnake here. If you are wondering, I left you the link in the description. It is a build that you need to purchase from Danny's lab, but it's super awesome. It's just an amazing thing. Again, robots that look like real things. So it has the neck here that will open and close. Look at that thing. Arr! And it's just really cool when you see it operate. So today I'm going to show you every aspect of this. What sensors and motors does it use, and then definitely show you the program on how this thing works. So let's go to the table. Come on, Rattlesnake. Okay, guys, so there it is. There is the entire Rattlesnake in all of its awesomeness here. So let's go to the motors here. We got a large motor here that's going to operate the neck or the head coming at you. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Arr. And then we have a medium motor here that's going to be running the rattle. Obviously, we got an ultrasonic sensor there for the eyes. And then we have a touch sensor right here. Once this is pressed, if it goes far enough, let me see if I can move this out here. Right there. Okay. So when this retracts fully, that's going to hit the touch sensor right there. And then that causes this to come back like that. Isn't that cool? So cool. So let's go ahead and start the program and see how this thing works. Okay, so when you start this program, let me go ahead and it's all about the ultrasonic and what it sees. So it's going to be set for 90, 60, and 30. So let me go ahead and so it saw my hand at 90. As I come closer, this thing should go faster until I get to 30. And it comes out at me like that. And then the program's looped to just continue. So let me try this again. Let me come over this way so you guys can actually see it. Okay, it's actually getting faster. What's difficult is the ultrasonic sees it up here, but the mouth actually comes down here. So let's go ahead and give you guys a side view of this. Okay, so let's take a look at this here. I'm going to come up above with my hand right here. Oh! Got me. Ah, and it bites. Ow! Okay, guys, so again, this thing is so cool, and my students are just like, does that thing bite? And when your finger gets stuck in there, it is hard to get it out. This thing does not let go very easily. But once I pull it out, the touch sensor is able to get hit and then pulls back. But this guy was really cool. So again, Joey, Fish, thank you so much for this build. Look at that thing. That's just cool looking. Ooh, it came right at you guys. Let me try that again. Arr. So this is a really cool build. So again, thank you so much, Danny's Lab. Check out the link for the purchase of the instructions. It comes in paper instructions and you just follow it. Joey and Fish said it was real easy to follow and build, so this guy's amazing. Hope you guys like the Rattlesnake. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.